because that is one of the first statement from the Department of Energy. While the NGCP substation's capacity for distribution utilities are limited and below the ideal level. Do you agree with that?
Good afternoon again to the Honorable Body. Board Member Istora, Sir Robbie. For the island of Panay, we have an ongoing what we call VSUP project.
Ano?
VSUP 2
What is
project.
VSUP?
Sir Phil maybe for a while can explain fully on that. But this project is aimed to upgrade our substation capability. Right now, the Panay has sufficient capability in terms of supplying the demand of the grid or the customers connected.
That's for the generation side.
No, for the transmission
Transmission side.
Transmission side. NGCP is not engaged in generation.
Okay.
Only the generators is connected to us. This SUP project is aimed to address the increasing demand as being submitted to us by our DUs, the projected demand. So in line with that, we are also upgrading our facilities.
So you are still upgrading.
Yes, but the existing capability of Panay grid right now is sufficient for the supply, to supply the demand. So, although at Santa Barbara Substation, supplying the Francis area of Moore and Elecuan, this is where we have 82 to 90% utilization, but not more than that. And we are still on the process of upgrading all of this facility, even at Panitan Substation supplying Capelco. We're upgrading our facilities. So technically, right now, there are no overloading of our transformer on connected load at Panay. We have an overloading of transmission line, but we have initially make a temporary solution, those supplying Elecuan, because we have an upcoming project at Tibawan that would split the load of Elecuan from Santa Barbara to Tibawan, and it is ongoing.
So but this is ongoing.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chair, ongoing. Pero meaning, subong pa lang ka mo nag-upgrade.
No, it's
When did you started upgrading your system or your, so to say, your capability na limited below ideal ang inyong
even
substation?
2015, sir. We are still on the
Since
process.
2015
It takes a
pa.
while. It takes a while. Example, we have upgraded our Santa Barbara substation from initial of 50 megawatt, 50 MVA. Right now we have 2 by 50 MVA, and another one is a 75 MVA. So the other 50 MVA was upgraded to 75. This is primarily during the entrance of more to us.
So you accept that right now you're ongoing with your capability build-up.
Yes. Sir Phil, can you have the timeline for us?
Yes, thank you. Actually, VSUP stands for Visayas Substation Upgrading Project. It's already
Substation unit
upgrading project. Yes, actually VSUP 2. The first one has already been done, then VSUP 2, and eventually 3 and 4. So if we ask if the substation is not ready, I think it should be understood that the upgrading of NGCP substation is a continuing process. So what we do is we plan. There is a team that plans the demand, the supply for all the grids in the Visayas, Mindanao, and Luzon. So based on that plan, also gathered from, as mentioned by Sir Lassie, the inputs will be coming also from the generators, the cooperatives. So that's the basis of our planning to upgrade these substation facilities, the transmission line and the substation. So that's why we need to know that the upgrading of these facilities are continuous. So there's no stopping because it will depend on the demand and the availability of power also on the various islands. So that's it for VSUP 2. It's right that we have projects right now in San Jose Substation in Antique. We have project in Pamatian, in Dingley Substation, Santa Barbara, Barotac. Actually, almost all substations right now in the Visayas, we are upgrading. We have already installed the numerous transformers for the substation. But of course, it takes time also to complete this project considering that these are existing facilities. So we need to integrate the new equipment to the existing system. And of course, it needs also sometimes the shutdowns of these lines that we can really integrate the new component and eventually energize these new facilities. So yun po, we are trying to complete, especially yung CNP3, no? Yung CNP3 natin, that is a backbone line, 230 kV backbone line. Cebu Negros Panay interconnection. So right now we are using only line 1, only one line. So even if we have so much power coming from Panay and Negros, we cannot really overload the line. That's why we have to construct another line. We are trying to complete that one by August this year. So I hope with the completion of that project, there will be an N-1 supply of power. If one submarine cable fluctuates or trip, there will be another line or another road for our power. So hopefully we can really complete those projects within this year. Hopefully by August for the CNP and for the rest by December 2023 or second quarter of 2024. So sa tingin namin, based on that, kung tatapos sana yung mga projects na yan, I think we'll have a more reliable power supply. Yes. Thank you so much.